Hello everyone, today I want to share my views on economics, and in economics I want to share my views on government budget and types of government budget and principle of budget and budgetary control also, and many other topics also. I want to discuss in this topic, and first of all, I want to share that if you are the first viewer of my channel, then please subscribe my channel and like my video and share my video also. Okay, so starting with the introduction. Here is the definition of budget. What is a budget? A government budget is a document. It is a document prepared by the government, first of all, because government budget is prepared by the government and other political entities and proposed spending expenditure for the coming financial year. In the most parliamentary system, the budget is presented to the legislature and other requires approval of the legislature. These are some main points. In short, a budget is a document which is prepared by the government and also other political entities and proposed spending and expenditure for coming financial year, first of all. Secondly, in most parliamentary system, the budget is presented to the legislature, okay, and also requires the approval of the legislature. Okay, so now here is the definition of budget. What is the budget? Budget is an estimation of revenue and expenses over a specified future period of time and is utilized by government, business and individual. It means that budget is a estimation of revenue and expenses. Here revenue and expenses are very important. It is an estimation of revenue and expenses over a specified future period of time. Okay, so a budget is basically a financially plan for a defined period. Here is also important definition of budget, that budget is basically a financially plan. It is a financially plan for a defined period, for a proper time of period, normally a year, that is known to great enhance the success of any financial undertaking. Okay, so budget is basically a financially plan for a defined period. Now the purpose. The purpose of budget in accounting is to create an accurate financial plan for future. First of all, what is the main purpose of budget? To account is to create an accurate financial plan. How to make financial plan for future, and also how to collect sources of income, and expected expenditure to avoid business debt. It means that the main purpose of budget is to account, to create an accurate financial plan for our future, and also to collect sources of income and all expected expenditure to avoid business debt. Okay, now and reach financial growth. The main purpose of budget is also to reach financial growth. Okay, now fundamental principles of budget. What are the fundamental principles of budget? Number 1, management support. Number 2, employee involvement. Number 3, statement of organizational goal. Number 4, responsibility accounting. Number 5, organizational structure. Number 6, flexibility. Number 7, communication of results. Now first one is management support. The system focus on it means that it focus on the managerial uses of information resources. Okay, and it provide information to manage for planning and decision making. Okay, it means that to manage managerial uses of information resources and also provide information to manage for planning and decision making. For making planning and decision making, management support is very important. Okay, number 2, employee involvement. Here is the direct participation of the staff of any organization to help to fulfill the objectives of the financial criteria. Like it includes main objectives are ideas, expertise and efforts towards solving and making decisions also. This is the employees involvement. As you all know that employee involvement is very important, because if employee is not involved to help the organization, then there is no fulfillment of the any 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 type of financial criteria, okay, to fulfill the. And also the efforts are also important of the employees here. Number 3, statement of organizational goal. What is the statement of organizational goal? A mission statement present the unique reason for the existence of an organization. It means that some unique reasons for the existence of organization. Here the statement has to be given. How the organization has to be exist. So statement is very important. There are some unique reasons for the existence of an organization, and it is called the statement of organizational goal. It means that unique reason for existence of an organization is the statement of organizational goal. Number 4, responsibility accounting. What is responsibility accounting? It is accountable for all management budgeting. Okay, accounts is very important, okay, and here is a household responsibility or accountability for all management budgeting and internal accounting of company. Okay, management budgeting and internal accounting of company is a household responsibility of the any organization. Okay, now number 5, organizational structure. The system that outlines how certain activities are directed in order to achieve the goals of an organization. Okay, so organizational structure is how to maintain the goals of an organization, and also how to create the activities to achieve the goals of organization. This is the organizational structure. It means to achieve the goal of an organization, some activities are important in the organizational structure. Now flexibility, the ability of a joint or series of joint, it's the basic meaning. Okay, how to move through an unrestricted pain free range motion. But in the criteria of budget, it's meaning that being able to quickly adapt to new circumstances, how the employees, how the company has flexible to being able to quick adapt to new circumstances, how they have to be adjust in new circumstances. This is called flexibility. Okay, now communication of results. Communication of results means that clear answer to the investigative research question and recommended a course of action where appropriate. Okay, so these are the communication of results to investigate research questions by giving the clear answers. Okay, like that. Now number 8, sound accounting system. Sound accounting system means in the sound accounting system, GAAP is involved. What is GAAP? What is the full form of GAAP? Generally accepted accounting principles. Generally accepted accounting principles and methods adopted by company in its reasonable discretion applied on consistent bond. This is the sound accounting system. What are the now here I have some questions regarding to the budget, like what are the 5 principles of budgetary control? What are the 5 principles of budgetary control? Budget formation requires the business. Number 1, use historical data to reflect on the past. First one is use historical data to reflect on the past. Number 2, prepare forecast to set goals for the future. Number 3, prepare a mode for measurement budget. Number 4, reconcile the difference variance analysis. Number 5, take corrective action. Okay, so budget formation requires the business to I repeat, use historical data to reflect on the past, prepare forecast to set goal for the future, prepare a mode for measurement budget, reconcile the difference variance analysis, take corrective action. Okay, now I have the another question also, that I have discussed the what is budgetary control. So what is the budgetary control? So budgetary control is a financial jargon or plan. Budgetary control is a financial plan for managing income and expenditure. To manage income or expenditure, budgetary control is very important. It is a financially plan in practice. It means regular compare. How to compare actual income or expenditure to planned income? It means that what is the actual income, what is our actual income, and what is our planned income. Okay, when we compare actual income and planned income, then it is called budgetary control, or no corrective action is required. So here no corrective action is required. Okay, now here I have the another question also. What are the types of budgetary control? But before starting this topic, I want to share that if you are the first viewer of my channel, then please subscribe my channel and also like my video and share my video also. What are the types of budgetary control? Types of budgetary controlling techniques. Number 1, financial budget. Number 2, operating budget. Number 3, non-monetary budget. Okay, number 1, financial budget. Financial budget, operating budget and non-monetary budgets. These are the types of budgetary controlling techniques. So what is financial budget? It is a financial plan for a defined period, often 1 year. Okay, so it is a financial plan for a defined period. It means some proper period for 1 year, like that for 1 year. Okay, for example, sale, volume, revenues, resources, quantities, cost and expenses, assets, liabilities and cash flow. Okay, these are some financial budgets like sale volume, revenues, resources, quantities, cost and expenses, assets, liabilities and cash flow. Okay, now in the second point, operating budget. It contains the expenditure and revenue generated from the daily business function. It means that what is happening in the daily business function, it is included in the operating budget. Okay, it includes operating expenditure. What is our daily operating expenditure? Cost of produce sold to market. Okay, cost of sold goods and revenue or income in the operating budget. It means that what is happening in our daily business function, what expenditure and what revenue generated from the daily business function. These are the operating budget. Okay, it includes, I repeat, operating expenditure, cost of produce sold in market, cost of sold goods and revenue or income. Okay, number 3, non-monetary budget. It expressed in non-financial sale of revenue and expenses, that is profit. It means that non-financial sale. It is a I have to say that it is a non-financial sale or revenue. Okay, in non-monetary budget. And in the last question, what is a budgetary control? Why is the budgetary control important? The importance of budgetary control is reflected from the fact that it helps the management to efficiently track the company. Okay, in short, I want to say that to make our company effective, the management in the management, budgetary control is very important for the company performance. How the company perform whole the year, weekly, monthly, okay, annually. So budgetary control is very important. Such monitoring ensures that the deviation of company actual performance from the budget. It shows the actual performance, how the company stands in a year, in a month, in a week. So budgetary control is very important. So it is views on budget and definition of budget, and also principles of budget, types of budget, and also the budgetary control. So thanks. So please like my video and share my video and subscribe my channel also. Thank you.